Welcome to Bahria College's PNET. My name is Miss Sarish Kabir. Subject Computer. Class 9 Federal Board. Chapter number 1 Fundamentals of Computer. Let's start lecture number 1. In learning objectives, at the end of the lesson, students will be able to enhance their knowledge about working of computer, to get to know about history of computer, to get an idea of high performance of computing, and to get an idea of cloud computing. In contents, we will discover introduction to computer, evolution of computer, high performance computing, and cloud computing. Introduction to computer. The first question that arises here is, what is a computer? A computer is a general purpose programmable machine. General purpose machine means a machine that can do all types of tasks. Now, how actually computers work? A computer is an advanced electronic device that takes raw data as input and processes it under program and produce output. Program and computer program. Here in this picture you can see a system unit is asking, tell me what to do, and on the right side there are some instructions, or you can say some commands are written that are telling the system unit, here is your program. So actually a program is a set of instructions, or you can say a set of commands or a set of orders. The instructions that are given to a computer to perform a particular task is known as computer program. Now we will learn evolution of computer. Evolution of computers means how the computers evolved from the first mechanical device to modern electronic digital computers. In this we will discover abacus, Napier's bone, Pascaline, reference engine and analytical engine, Hollerith disk, slide rule, and Mark I. Let's start with abacus. In the picture I have shown, there is a rectangular box with some colorful beads on it. It is the shape of abacus. An abacus was the earliest calculating device. It consists of a wooden frame having parallel rods. It uses for add and subtraction number. It has been used earliest in the China, and after some time abacus was begun to use in the other Asian countries. Napier's bone. John Napier, a Scottish mathematician, invented a calculating device called Napier's bone in 1614. This machine consisted of a wooden box containing rotating cylinders, each of which had the digits from 0 to 9. It is used for multiplication, division, and subtraction. The biggest achievement of John Napier was the invention of logarithms. Pascaline. Blaise Pascal was a French mathematician who invented a calculating machine called Pascaline in 1642. Pascaline uses rotating wheels. Each wheel had 10 parts having digits from 0 to 9. On Pascaline, calculations were performed by the rotation of wheels. When one wheel completes a rotation, the next wheel moves by one digit. Pascaline had a number of small slots for displaying the results. Pascaline machine could perform the addition and subtraction on whole numbers. So the major invention on Pascaline was the addition and subtraction to be performed on whole numbers. As we have learned on abacus, we can only add and subtract, and on Pascaline we can also do addition and subtraction on whole numbers. Difference engine and analytical engine. There was an English mathematician, Charles Babbage, who started to design a machine called difference engine, but due to some lack of technology advancement, he stopped it and again started a new machine that was named analytical engine. Charles Babbage, also known as father of modern computer, because the machine of Babbage analytical engine actually gives the idea of modern computers. That's why Charles Babbage is also known as the father of modern computers. Holder-Desk. In 1990, a scientist, Herman Holder, developed a tabulating machine. Holder's machine consisted of a card reader which sensed the holes in the cards, a gear-driven mechanism which could count, and a large set of digits. Holder desks have dial indicators to display the results. Holder started a company of tabulating machine which eventually changed its name to International Business Machine, that is IBM. Slide rule. An English mathematician, William, developed a device called slide rule in 1920. This slide rule can perform multiplications and division. A slide rule can also be known as a slide ruler or a slide step, or you can say a slip stick, is an extremely complex ruler that functions as an analog computer. Or you can say the slide rule is actually the base of analog computer. By sliding various components of the ruler to align with each other, a slide rule can compute products, roots, logarithms, and the results of trigonometric functions. Mark 1. Mark 1 was the first successful digital computer. It was invented by Howard Aiken in 1944. Mark 1 could add 3 numbers having 8 digits in 1 second. Mark 1 computers use punch cards or electric typewriters for printing. Mark 1 computers were 50 feet long, 8 feet high, and about weightage of 5 tons. Mark 1 computers used approximately 3000 electric switches. Now we will learn what is high performance computing and cloud computing. So let's start with high performance computing. High performance computing is used today's data center for fast data processing. High processing computing is actually use of parallel processing for running advanced application program efficiently, reliably, and in fast speed. Cloud computing. Cloud computing term says storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of computer's hardware. This terminology is actually known as cloud computing. Dear students, in this lecture number 1, you have to complete worksheet number 1. In this exercise A, you have to choose the correct answer. Number 1 is device that takes input, process it, and produce output is called dash. You have to fill this blank with an appropriate answer. Number 2, device that takes input, process it under some set of instructions and produce result and saves it for future result is called dash. Number 3, Dash is known as instructions given to a computer to perform a specific task. Number 4. Dash is first digital computer. Number 5. Parallel processing comes under the term dash. Number 6. Storing and accessing your data on internet beside on some hard drive is dash. In exercise B, you have to match the following series, column A with the column B. In home task, you have to complete exercise questions of your book. Write short answers of following. Question number 1, describe Napier's bone, and question number 2, describe salt rule. Thank you for today's class. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.